Hi, do you find that when you are free motion quilting, your needle keeps breaking and you're wondering what on earth to do? Well, let me tell you what to do, but first let me tell you why it is doing it so you know what to do. So, when we are free motion quilting, we are going at speed into, not into the ground, but into our quilt layers. So the machine is going very fast in one spot. And when we do that, the stick, your needle breaks, okay? It is under a lot of pressure. So what we need to do is switch needles. Here's one I just happen to have lying about. So we need a stronger, heavy duty needle, because when we go like that into the ground, it will stay sturdy and it won't break. So what you want is definitely an 80 or a 90 needle, so an 80-12 or a 90-14, but switch to a top stitch needle because they are far stronger and they have an arrow shape, so they'll pierce the layers of the fabric so much easier and they don't break when you are under pressure. The other thing that you might want to try if you want to extend your budget is one of the stronger titanium needles. But quite honestly, the top stitch needles are the ones that I use for free motion quilting. Never have any problems with them at all. So try them and you'll be amazed at the difference that it makes to your free motion. Okay, have fun. Let me know how you get on and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.